Hey everybody, my name is Mr. Fragrance. I'm back with another fragrance battle video. Today's video, if you saw the title, you already know, is Allure Homme Sport Eau Extreme versus Allure Homme Edition Blanche. Fragrance battle time. Are you ready? Chanel Allure Homme Sport Eau Extreme 2012 release. You're looking at price between $95 for this 1.7 ounce, 3.4 ounce for $120, and $155 for a 5 ounce bottle. The price in this is woody, cyper, mint, black pepper, mandarin, musk, sandalwood. Okay, it's a lot to take in right there. Now we're going to break the notes down for Edition Blanche. Edition Blanche 2008 release, spicy, black pepper, sandalwood, ginger, vanilla, tonka, white musk, lemon, and cedar. Okay, I got all the notes out the way. Sorry about that. I want to break all the notes down for you guys. Okay, both these fragrances, just different. The little gold and teal here, white cap and silver with Chanel logo here. Bottom has the Chanel information. The batch code is on the bottom. It's a 2001. The batch code up here is up at the top. So the difference is the batch code is on the bottom and the batch code is at the top. Different color wise. Both shoot the same amount of juice atomizer. Smells good. And then the atomizer on this one shoots about the same. Nice juice for both of them. So it's a plus right there. Both these fragrances are very great. Let's talk about when to wear these fragrances. I feel like this is more of a spring and summer fragrance, but I've worn it pretty much in September now as of uploading this video, and I've got compliments with this fragrance here. I got compliments with this fragrance here, my complimented video I have. So both these are great compliment getters, and both you can wear either season you want. I just feel like this is more spring and summer, and this right here you can wear all year round. Very Swiss Army knife, wear whenever you want. Okay, let's talk about projection-wise. Projection-wise, I get about the same. I got about 2 hours on both of them. It might be more, but what I can smell is 2 hours where it's pushing off my skin very nicely. Let's talk about longevity. Longevity, I got about 6 hours on both. Sometimes it might be 7. People do smell it after the 7 and 8 hour mark, but for me, the longest I've smelled it on my skin, like smelling up here, was like 6 hours. So maybe pushing 7. That's for both of these fragrances. So they're about the same projection longevity for me. Price point, both of these, you're looking at $95 for these sizes here, 1.7 ounces. And the big size, 3.4 ounce, you're looking at $120. And the big 5 ounce, if you guys want to go beast mode on these fragrances, $155. They never really have sales on Chanel. We all know that, unless sometimes their website does. Kind of sucks, but these are great performing fragrances. It's hard to choose because they both give me compliments. So that's the hard part about it. This is more versatile. You can wear it whenever you want. I feel like this is more your spring where you can pump this out in the spring. People don't like it. Lemon meringue pie kind of vibe. This is more your fresh kind of vibe than me where you can wear it. People like it. They both like both of them. I haven't got any negative before this one or this one. I know this one people have said on my channel and other people have said on YouTube that has that when you use cleaner to clean your house, that kind of pine saw smell. From the opening, I get that, and then like within the first 5 or 10 minutes, I don't smell it anymore. I just smell very like a lemon meringue pie kind of vibe, like the lemon. I like it a lot, and this one is great too. Both these are great fragrances overall. I like them both. It's hard to pick one or the other because you both get compliments. I feel like if I only could pick one, and that's going to be the hardest part today, if I only keep one, I'm going to keep both. If I only could keep one, it would be Allure Homme Sport Eau Extreme. That's just my personal opinion. Some people might like this one more. I feel like this one is more versatile where I can wear it whenever I want, and compliments are great. And I've got 2 compliments with this fragrance, more than I got with this fragrance here. I'm going to have a full review for this coming up really soon by itself, but both these are great. They're both hard to choose one or the other. I know most people have both of them in their collection. Some people say they love this one more. Some people love this one more. But hey, whatever one you guys like, please leave a comment below. Let me know if you like Allure Homme Edition Blanche more, or if you like Allure Homme Sport Eau Extreme more. So this is a tough battle, but at the end of the day, I'm picking this one. I love this one a lot more. So price point's the same, and you really can't go wrong either one of them. You're gonna get compliments. They smell great. They smell like great fragrances. They are expensive, you know, over $100, but you get what you pay for with these Chanel fragrances. If you like men's fragrance reviews, unboxing, and free giveaways, you tune into the right channel. All I ask is the videos about then. Please consider hitting the subscribe button if you want more fragrance reviews from me. If you like this video a lot, hit the like button. And If these fragrances are in your collection, please leave a comment below to know if you have these fragrances or if you're going to buy these fragrances. Until my next fragrance video, thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching. Peace.